Good day. In this video, we're gonna talk about special right triangles, namely the triangle with 45, 45, and 90-degree angle. And now, I have this one for example. And before we go through to the theorem for this type of triangle, let me explain this to you with my, let's say, own words in layman's term. So here we have 45, 45, and obviously this is the 90 degree. So this is the right angle. At as you can see, equal sila. So this is 45 degree. This also is 45 degree. Now, in 45, 45, 90 triangle, the longest side, since this is a right triangle, the longest side is called hypotenuse. And yung dalawang to, tawag dyan, legs. At yung legs ay congruent in 45, 45, 90. Kasi nga, equal to, yung angle nila. Kaya yung legs nila ay 90 degree. Ay, hindi, no. Equal, congruent. So, let's name it as letter A. Kung A to, equal sila, A din to. At yung C natin ay equal kay, let's name it C. Ito ay equal kay 2 square root of 2 times A. Balik na rin natin. A times square root of 2. Ibig sabihin yan, yung legs ay congruent. Kung for example, ito ay 3, anong measure nito? Edi 3. Kung ito ay 3, anong measure nito? Edi 3 times square root of 2. Kasi si hypotenuse is square root of 2 times as long as each leg. Bakit? Saan nakuha to? I will explain to you. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Sabi ng Pythagorean theorem na yung hypotenuse daw, squared ng hypotenuse is equal sa sum ng squared ng legs. So, A squared plus B squared. And since wala tayong B squared, ito lang yung meron tayo, A squared, equal naman sila. So, magiging C squared equals A squared plus A squared. C squared, A squared plus A squared is 2A squared. And para matanggal yung squared, the square root of this 2, magiging C na lang to, cancel na. Then, itong A, magiging na lang yan, itong A squared, magiging na lang yan A. Then, na matitira is yung square root of 2. Diyan nakuha yun. Kahit hindi nyo na naman to alam kung paano, pero mas maganda pa rin kung alam nyo. Ito lang yung mahalaga dyan. Dalawang legs, congruent. Yung hypotenuse is square root of 2 times longer than each of this leg. Let's read the theorem. In 45, 45, 90 degree triangle, both legs are congruent and the length of the hypotenuse is square root of 2 times as long as each leg. Now let's try to solve some problem involving that. Ito yung ating right angle. Tapos ito 45. Ito rin 45. Then, let's say ang binigay sa ating given ay ito lang. 3 lang. As you can see, yung katapat ng right angle ay yung hypotenuse. So, ibig sabihin, itong 3 na to, ito yung isa sa mga legs. Legs, leg, leg, tapos hypotenuse. Ngayon, kung 3 to, ang leg ay congruent dun sa other leg. So, kung 3 to, ito ay 3 din. At sabi sa theorem, ang hypotenuse is square root of 2 times longer than each of this leg. So, ito ay 3, ito ay 3 din, times square root of 2. Ganon. Another example, paano naman kung ang binigay sa atin, ito ulit yung right angle natin, kung ang binigay sa atin ay ito, yung hypotenuse, paano natin nahanapin si A? Diba, ito yung dalawang A natin, ito yung C. C is equal to 6, A is equal to 1. So, para ma-solve to, kailangan natin hanapin yung number na kapag minultiply mo sa square root of 2, ang lalabas 6. Ano ba yon? So, to do that, we just need to get the 6 and divide it to the square root of 2. Bakit? Tingin dito. Kasi 6 square root of 2 times square root of 2 is equal to 6 square root of 2 over square root of 2. Makakancel to. Ang matitira yung 6. Ito yon. So, para mahanap yung A, divide lang sa square root of 2 yung hypotenuse. Now, hindi pa to yung final answer natin. Kailangan pa natin i-simplify yan. Paano? Hindi to. 6 over square root of 2. Kailangan wala to. Square root sa baba. Pangit yan tignan. So, multiply tayo ng square root of 2 over square root of 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. 6 times square root of 2 is 6 square root of 2. And ito, pwede natin ma-divide to. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, magiging 3 square root of 2. Sagot dito, letter A is 3 square root of 2. At kung ito ay 3 square root of 2, syempre yung kabila ay 3 square root of 2 din. Kung magtatanong kayo kung saan nakuha to, kung bakit nag-multiply ako ng ganito, nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito, pero ginagawa yan kasi para matanggal itong nasa baba na square root of 2. Hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng square root sa denominator. At ang concept nito is para ka lang nag-multiply ng 1. Kapag nag-multiply ka ng 1 sa kahit anong number, hindi magbabago yung value. Diba? 1 times 1 is still 1. 2 times 1 is still 2. 3 times 1 is still 3. 6 over square root of 2 times 1 is still 3. Ay, 6 over square root of 2 pa din. Hindi magbabago yung value niyan. At itong square root of 2 over square root of 2 is simply 1 lang yan. Diba? Square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 is 1. So, ganun lang ginawa dyan. Next. Try natin to. Meron tayong 45, 45, 90 degree angle. Triangle. Hahanapin natin yung length ng sides nung nawawala. So, ito ay 4. Ito yung right angle, obviously. Kung 4 to, yung another leg natin is also 4. At yung hypotenuse is square root of 2 times longer. Ibig sabihin, ito ay 4 square root of 2. Next, ito, 3.5. 3.5 to, 3.5 din to. Then, ito ay square root of 2 times longer. Kaya 3.5 times square root of 2. Pero, hindi pa yan pwede. Ang 3.5 is equal kay 7 over 2 times square root of 2. Tama? Next, paano naman kapag hypotenuse ang binigay? We have hypotenuse na 12 at 5 square root of 3. So, to get the A, we need to divide the 12 or the C, the hypotenuse 2 square root of 2. Kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina. So, A is equal to 12 divided by square root of 2. At ganun ulit. Multiply natin sa square root of 2 over square root of 2 para ma-simplify, para matanggal siya. Magiging na lang tong 2 kasi square root times square root is makaka-cancel na. So, magiging itong 12 square root of 2 over 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Ang matitira is square root of 2 times square root of 2. And this is the answer. Kung ito yung kabilang leg, malamang ito ay 6 square root of 2 din. Plus, we have 5 square root of 3. Simple lang to. 5 square root of 3 divided by square root of 2. At ganun ulit. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 para makancel yung square root sa baba, magiging 5 square root of 3 times square root of 2 is square root of 6. Then, yun nasa baba. Mawawala na yung square root, magiging na lang yan 2. Yan. 5 square root of 6 over 2. At kung ito ay 5 square root of 6 over 2, syempre, ito rin ay 5 square root of 6 over 2. And that's all about 45, 45, 90. I hope you learn something from this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.